The best thing about what I'm going to share with you right now is that you don't have to guess about hair products anymore. This is going to help you understand what you need in order to have better hair, stop being confused, and to use the right products and tools for your hair. Now, obviously, it all depends on the style that you want, but as a professional hairstylist for over 30 years, I've worked on so many clients throughout my career that I have an exact formula that I do every time I work on someone's hair. And ladies, this video is specifically for you. So let's start with this, right? This is a beautiful haircut. I know a lot of you are like, oh my gosh, salon guy, like I want to find someone to cut hair like this. I know, I'm sorry, this isn't a haircut video, but I do have plenty of videos and tutorials about these types of layered flow haircuts. But this is kind of like my signature, I call it the money cut. You know, this is just a gorgeous, beautiful, flowing layered haircut that a lot of people want. It's a gorgeous haircut. If I were to just simply go through a styling routine with this, the first thing that I do, what am I washing the hair with? So I'm identifying what this client, this is actually human hair. It's a very, very expensive mannequin, believe it or not. It's all human hair. But I would identify what am I going to shampoo this client's hair with. Now, if I notice that the hair is a bit on the finer side or the client likes to have volume, I'm going with a volumizing shampoo. And this is my favorite volumizing shampoo. One, because most volumizing shampoos that I've used in the past, and I've worked for two major beauty companies, I've used products that have won quote unquote awards in like really popular magazines. And I'm like, this makes the hair feel like absolute straw. How did this even win an award? Like, I've literally washed thousands of heads as in my career as a hairstylist, as an assistant, and I've used so many shampoos, and I'm like, how is this an award-winning shampoo? The hair feels like straw. A lot of volumizing shampoos tend to do that. Not with this, because of the certified organic ingredients, and there are so many things that are beneficial to building volume and making your hair feel very, very conditioned and not weighed down. And then the volumizing conditioner, I don't know why, a lot of people they like buying the conditioner on its own for some reason, but it does come in a duo set, doesn't weigh your hair down. So I start with the volumizing shampoo and conditioner because I want to start building that volume right from the start. So then towel dry the hair so it's not dripping all over the place, not making a mess. Then we go back to the chair and then I go, okay, what are we looking to do with the blow dry, the finish? How do you normally weigh your hair? So for me, if somebody wants to duplicate a style like this, I'm thinking to myself, she wants to have some volume, she wants to have some fullness, wants the hair to, feel nice and smooth, no static, no flyaways, wants it to look very, very healthy. And I go, okay, so I automatically start going over what products am I going to use. So I'm going to start with the base foundation. So my favorite product on even men's hair and women's hair is 25 spray. 25 spray has literally transformed thousands of people who have purchased their heads because it's like, I call it, at this point, it's literally a miracle spray. If you have healthy hair, if you have great hair, that's awesome. This just helps maintain that. If you have dry, brittle, frizzy, fine, just hair that needs a lot of love, you will get an instant transformation even after using this one time and blow drying your hair. So I use this, think of it like a multivitamin. You take it every single day, whatever you do, your protein shake, that's what this is. It has keratin, biotin, collagen, and other incredible ingredients and extracts in this. Give it a good shake because it is a thicker liquid. I always give it a good shake, and what you want to do is you want to press down firmly, as you can see here, because if you don't, it's going to shoot out like a laser beam. So press down firmly on that 3, 4, 5 sprays, and then that's the first thing. So I also use that as a detangler. This works phenomenally well on longer hair, curly hair, hair that knots up. I will then take it, use an anti-static vent brush, brush it all through to get those knots out. Okay, first thing's done. Next, am I going to get, like some volume in the hair? Do I want to, now I start layering on the products. I will use, this is a blow dry cream. It's called Crafted, which is a sub-brand. It's called Crafted. It's a blow dry cream designed to give the hair just a little bit of hold. So while you're blow drying it, you're kind of locking in that volume. So I'll shake it up, pour a little bit into my hand, not a whole lot, work it through. It's also got an incredibly luxurious fragrance to it, very, very high end. And I'll work it through the ends and lightly towards the top here and just work it through that hair. Then, do I want some volume? Okay, I'll use Tidal Wave sea salt spray because it's a volumizing sea salt spray. I'll spray, 1, 2, 3, 4 spritzes. I'll let the hair or the product settle onto the hair, and then I'm gonna start making sure that I'm running my fingers through it. This is, again, while the hair's damp, I'm building that support system for the blow dry, making sure I'm getting the product all the way through. Lastly, if I do want a little bit of, a smoother type of finish, I'll maybe do like 1 pump of sleek serum, which also a lot of people love this stuff. And if you're into scents, I'm telling you right now, as someone, once again, who's smelled so many products, this has, in my opinion, the most luxurious, richest scent. It's like, are you kidding me? That's how good it smells. Every time someone smells this, they're like, wait, what? That's how good this stuff smells. Just 1 little drop, work it through the ends. Now, because it's got a medium length hair, I'm gonna start to decide what brush I'm going to use. So I'm using a ceramic ionic round brush just because it's gonna give me a smoother blow dry, faster blow drying time, and it's less damaging to the hair. I have 2 options. I've got a 2-inch round brush or a 2.5-inch. My go-to for this length is always gonna be the 2.5-inch. It's a perfect length to get that hair wrapped around the barrel. Anytime like you've got short hair to maybe it's like 1.5 inches, 2 inches long on top, I'm going with the 2-inch. So majority of hairstyles that are like here down, I'm going with the 2.5-inch. Then I will use a blow dryer. There's a wide variety of blow dryers to choose from. This is an ionic blow dryer. There's also like a bunch of bundles and kits. I'll put all this stuff. If you click on view products right down here, you'll see everything that I'm using. I will then start to blow dry. Now blow drying is its own thing. I have loads of videos on how to blow dry hair properly, but I'm always I'm always blow drying like this, towards the face, making sure that the brush is constantly moving, the nozzle is moving with this. Always use the nozzle to direct that heat in the same direction. After the blow dry is completely finished, I have my own little thing that I do, and I bring the head back. So if you're doing this yourself, blow dry the hair forward and then bring the hair back. I do this, when I was working in salons and seeing clients, I'd rake all the hair back because it's all forward. I rake it all back. Okay, whatever goes forward goes back just as easy. Then I will kind of bring the head. If it's a human, I'll tell, all right, bring the head forward. I'll rake it back, and oh my gosh, look at how beautiful this is. I'll start to showcase the volume. I'll start to showcase like the whole style. And then I say, okay, how am I going to finish this style, lock it in place? I have 2 options, at least from what I use. And anytime you're using a hairspray, you want to give it a good shake. So if you want something that has like a nice medium hold, gives the hair like a natural shine, and also smells, I'm a big scent guy. This smells incredible because it's not like most hairsprays that smell like just pure alcohol. This is the complete opposite. It does have, a bit of a somewhat stronger, but very, very pleasant fragrance. I will then make sure I'm spraying this on, and that'll help lock the style in place. Or on the other side, if I want to use something to where it was a little bit softer, then I'm gonna use my locked hairspray, which is give it a good shake. Imagine like a dry shampoo with a light hold. So I'm gonna spray this all back. It's kind of like a light powdery type of fragrance right here. Barely really any hold. It's just for a light softening, it just gives it like a little matte finish. So then I would finish it with that. The thing about this is once you're done, what you don't want to do is start running your fingers through it all the time. All that does is destroy what you just did. So you're finishing the style with the products, the hairsprays. It should be one and done, set it and forget it, and you're good to go. Now, depending on your hairstyle, again, if you want it off the face, the last thing you want to do is continuously run your fingers through it because it's all going to collapse and fall forward. You know, if you have one of those hairstyles or a haircut like something like this where you can run your fingers through it and it just kind of falls into place because of the way it was cut like this, then, you know, either hairspray will work great for you. So that is what I would do as a professional, someone who's been doing hair for 30 years. I have my own routine. So ladies, I highly suggest, that's why when you go to the salon, we're suggesting products for you so you can duplicate this, at least as close to as we can do it. You're doing this at home. So if you're interested, and I highly suggest checking out some of the products that I mentioned. Again, everything that I use is what I would do if you were sitting in my chair right here with a very similar hairstyle to this. Check out the products, make sure you start getting better hair. Let me know in the comments below if you enjoy this video. Thank you for all the support. I'll see you soon.